Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Oh, what up here? Oh, that's a nice pizza. That's actually an authentic Motor City pizza, double pepperoni. Detroit style deep dish pizza. Mike Foster here. Today I'm going to try this pizza, this Detroit style pizza. It's going to be about this thick. Not as thick as Chicago deep dish, and certainly not as thin as New York style. But Detroit, it's supposed to be killer diller. I got this at Costco, and this is an episode of Mike Tries. I'm going to pop this in the oven for 20 minutes, and I'll see you then. All right, that just came out of the oven. I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to pop it off of this and slice it up, and we're going to try the Motor City Pizza Company double pepperoni Detroit style deep dish pizza. This baby's out. It's been resting for 5 minutes. We're going to take it out of this guy right here, and now I'm going to slice it up, and when I'm done slicing this, take a nice big bite. I'll meet you over there. Well, there it is. Let's see how this tastes. Cheese is good. I got some of that pepperoni, undercarriage. Looks good. The middle could be a little more cooked, but how else can you do it with this undercarriage in the top? I would expect Detroit pizza to taste a more bakery type crust, but I could be mistaken. For frozen, and I don't eat a lot of frozen pizza, but for frozen, I'd give this a 6.8. Check out Live Life 365 and on my socials. Tell people about it, subscribe. Until next time, pizza. Peace.
Live life 365.
Can't wait. Beauty. I think. Wow. And there you have it. Baby, it's ready. Well, pizza.